Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the SAM training. I believe that if you do the training on this thing, it will help you on every single test that you take. So again, I'm going to log in, and it's going to take me to that calendar thing, which I find pretty much useless. So again, I'm going to go to my activity list, and for this one, I'm just going to select one of my classes. So it narrows down my options a little bit. And for this one, I'm going to do the word training just because that's the test that I took earlier, and I want to show you all that the same thing goes on. So anyway, I'll go ahead and start the training. Now, the way this training works is you have three options. Whoops, I'm sorry. Let's do this again. I just did the training a second ago. So I have three options to look at the training for each and every question. So there's 37 questions. And this one is going to tell me this training is about how to undo and redo an action. So I'll start it off with the first one. And the first one is observe. And observe, what it's going to do is it's actually going to do it's going to do it and you just kind of watch it. The second one is practice. It tells you what to do, but you actually have to click the things that it tells you to do. The third one is apply, and you pretty much have to do everything. It gives you instructions down at the bottom that you have to read, but you still have to do it all. So let's just do the observe one first.
In the font group, click the bold button.
And you'll see that it clicks it for you. You're
Word
just
applies
watching.
bold formatting to the selected text. In the font group, click the underline button. Word underlines the selected text. Click the undo arrow. The undo menu displays your most recent actions, with the last action you performed at the top of the menu. The previous action you performed, applying the bold formatting, appears below the underline action. On the undo menu, click bold. The bold action and every action that occurred afterward, in this case the underline action, are reversed. The bold and underline formats are removed from the selected text. Click the redo button. Word reverses the last action, which is the undo bold action, and the bold format is reapplied to the selected text.
Okay, so that was observe. Now we'll move on to practice. And like I said, this one, you actually do the clicking. It tells you it's pretty much the exact same thing, except this time you're actually doing the clicking that's moving it along. So I'll click on that and make it happen.
In the font group, click the bold button.
Now it stops until I do it. So I'll click bold,
Word
and it
applies
moves on.
bold formatting to the selected text. In the font group, click the underline button. Word underlines the selected text. Click the undo arrow. The undo menu displays your most recent actions, with the last action you performed at the top of the menu. The previous action you performed, applying the bold formatting, appears below the underline action. On the undo menu, click bold. The bold action and every action that occurred afterward, in this case the underline action, are reversed. The bold and underline formats are removed from the selected text. Click the redo button. Word reverses the last action, which is the undo bold action, and the bold format is reapplied to the selected text.
Okay, that was practice. Now we'll do the apply one next, and this one it just gives you the instructions down at the bottom and you just have to do it. So I'm going to click apply and it's going to move on. And down here it says in the font group on the ribbon, click the bold button, then click the underline button, then on the quick access toolbar, click the undo arrow. On the undo menu, click the bold action to undo it along with the underline action that followed it, and then finally it says on the quick access toolbar, click the redo button to redo the action. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to click the bold, and then we're going to click the underline, and then we're going to go up here and click the undo down arrow, click on bold, and then click on redo. and that follows all of those instructions that it tells us to do. And it says that we've completed the task. Now, again, I think that these training things will be very, very helpful. I know it takes a little bit of time, but it does. But I think it will help you on the test. And if you've watched the video I did on taking a test, you might notice down at the very bottom that there were 37 questions on the test. And look, in the training, there happens to be 37 training questions. So again, I'm going to be willing to bet that if you do the training, you should do very well on the test. Hint, hint. So that's the training. So if you got any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Have a good day.